Hello everyone, my name is Enrique Guzman and I am an RMM admin here at ProvalTech. Today I would like to show you how to create an override on a policy on a computer level. If you are new to CWRMM or if you are just wanting to set up an exclusion on a computer and can't seem to find where it is, this video should help you resolve that. Let's get to it. So to start, we just want to pick up any device here that we want to test it on. We'll just go ahead and just use this first one here, this server. From here, you want to go to the Settings tab. Once this loads, you will see this right here. You just expand it and it will show you all the policies that are tied to this particular machine. If you want to override one, all you would have to do is, for example, on the remote access, click on it, select Edit, and then from here you should be able to deselect whatever you don't want for this particular machine. For example, if this is a server and you guys don't want to be able to remote in, just click this disabled, click save, and then it should turn red right here indicating that it has been overwritten. If you want to revert it back to normal, all you would have to do is just select remove overrides, and that should change it back to how it was before. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on CWRMM. To learn more about what we do, please visit provaltech.com. There is a link in the video description below.